Seeing that back gets that it's going. Yep. Let's go up here. Just got the cab off, got 2 forklifts using it, and we're getting ready to push the frame in this forklift. So we're getting ready to push it in there. So we got the cab off. We just got the exhaust off right here. We're gonna be getting the motor out, trains out, transfer case. So we gotta undo the drive shafts, front drive shaft. These lines, I think they're fuel lines. Motor mounts, and then I think that's it to pull that. And then we'll be pulling the tanks, lines, everything off of here as well. Alright, got the front drive shaft out. Got that out. Got these fuel lines out. He's working on the rear drive shafts. We're gonna get that out. We're probably gonna start pulling the motor. I think all we got left's the motor mounts. I think that's it. And then transmission mount. And probably take the transfer case off while we do it. Alright, so most of y'all probably won't be doing this when y'all will be putting this kit on. I am just doing a frame off, restoring everything, filling all these holes in on the frame, like all these holes that just don't need a purpose or whatever. I'm gonna be filling those in, but you don't have to go this far putting this kit on. See?
I didn't know you recorded me now.
So we got the transfer case out. now we got to undo the transmission mount and then the motor mounts, and it should be all ready to pull off. We'll just use the forklift to chain all that off. Alright, so we just got done pulling the motor and trans. That was a little bit of a chore, not really, but we got it. Now we're going to be working on removing all this wiring harness, fuel lines, fuel tank, rear fuel tank, and then just everything else on the frame, strip it down, so that way we can start working on it. And again, this is nothing that you'll have to do to put that kit on. I'm just doing a full frame off, and like I said, I'm going to be filling all these holes in that I don't need. I've already marked this side out. All those yellow dots are the ones that I'm going to keep and will need. Everything else I'm going to be filling in and smoothing out. So we're going to work on getting the fuel tanks out, and then that may be it for today. Just got done pulling both tanks, and this rear tank had a leak, and I found the leak. Yep, it's a little pinhole full of diesel. But anyways, we got all that pulled, and I'll show you after that once we get this fixed. We got the rear tank drug all the way out back there, and we also got it all right there. Anyway, it was 5 or 6 pinholes that ended up showing the whole thing. But we got the rear tank out, but the side tank, and we'll still have to get fuel lines, the wires going to the taillights, vehicle speed sensor, have to get that off, fuel selector thing, have to get that off, and then power steering box. I haven't decided if I want to pull that off or not, but we'll see. Anyways, here's the final look of it.